In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your website template in Hostinger. Whether you're looking to refresh your site's appearance or implement a new design style, updating your template is an essential part of maintaining an engaging online presence. Let's walk through this process together step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to confidently make these changes. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Hostinger account. Navigate to their main website and enter your credentials to access your hosting dashboard. If you've secured your account with two-factor authentication, make sure you have your device handy to complete the login process. Once you're inside, you'll find yourself at the Hostinger control panel, a hub with various options and tools for managing your website. Now, let's locate the website section. On the dashboard, you'll see a tab labeled as Websites. Click on this to reveal a list of all the domains you are managing through Hostinger. This will allow you to pinpoint the specific website for which you want to change the template. From here, select the domain to proceed to your site management area. This area is designed to give you control over every aspect of your site's performance and design. Next, we'll move to the Builder interface. Look for the Manage Site button or similar option. Once inside, you will often find an option like Edit Website or Customize, depending on the interface. This will take you into the website builder environment where all the magic happens. It's the digital workshop where you can personalize, design, and refine your website. Within the builder interface, search for the Template or Theme section. Templates are essentially pre-designed layouts that provide a consistent look and feel across your site. By finding this section, usually tucked away in a menu or sidebar, you can explore a variety of different design options. Hostinger typically provides a wide range of templates, so you're bound to find one that matches your brand style. Now, you're ready to select a new template. Browse through the available options and preview those that catch your eye. The preview function lets you see exactly how your website content will appear within the new template's layout. This is an invaluable feature for ensuring your graphics, text, and other elements are showcased effectively. Once you've decided on the perfect template, click to apply it. This change won't be published immediately, allowing you to make further adjustments if needed. Take the time to check that all content is aligned properly and that no widgets or features are misplaced or missing. If everything looks good, go ahead and save your changes. The final step is to publish your updated website, making your chosen design live for all to see. This is as simple as hitting a Publish or Go Live button. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your website template in Hostinger. Keep in mind that updating your site's design is not only about aesthetics but also improving user experience and keeping up with current web trends. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.